5
reasons to play LEGO Constructors if you are already an adult.
More recently, multitasking was considered superpower. However, now scientists recognize the inefficiency of such a strategy. Constant switching between tasks reduces overall productivity by 40% and provokes stress. It is much more beneficial to concentrate on one thing at a time. But for many, this turns out to be a task of increased complexity. When you get used to constantly switching, concentrating on one thing for a long time is difficult. With LEGO sets, this skill is easier to bring back. If only because it is impossible to break away from the process because you really want to know what happens. And there, with working reports, things will go fast. Although not a muscle, the brain can still be trained. Studies show that various kinds of puzzles improve cognitive function. Scientists call working with LEGO sets a constructive gaming activity, but not from the word constructor. Just in the process you have to solve many problems. For example, to organize the space so that the necessary details are not lost and are at hand. The brain, in principle, doesn't matter whether you decide on issues of national importance or assemble a constructor. This makes it work and forms new neural connections. Everyone has bad days when nothing comes of it. One way to regain faith in yourself is to do something that you can do for sure. Collecting something from LEGO bricks is a great option. You will have a good time and get a guaranteed good result. And all thanks to how carefully LEGO approaches the manufacture of its kits. Molds that are used for the manufacture of parts are made with an error of not more than 0.002 millimeters. That is why the cubes are so firmly attached to each other, and there are no gaps between them. In addition, the parts are incredibly durable, and it's easy to check. If you step on the die, who will be hurt, you or him?
Classes that require a high concentration of attention help to cope with anxiety. When you assemble a constructor, solve logic puzzles or colorize pictures, you are distracted from problems and concentrate on the current moment. Surveys show that after assembling LEGO, 91% of adults feel noticeably better. LEGO Constructor helps eliminate stress. You will get the maximum benefit if you give preference to designers with a sufficiently large number of parts. Painstaking work and a cozy theme will help you immerse yourself in a state akin to a meditative one. And the benefits of meditation in the fight against stress are undeniable.
A modern person will easily answer the question of what to do if you have at least one gadget and unlimited internet access. Without them, the search for entertainment turns into a task with an asterisk. The LEGO Constructor solves this problem. Do you like to travel? Gather your Tokyo with all the major attractions. Tokyo Skytree Lookout, TV Tower, Mode, Gaku and Cocoon Tower, International Exhibition Center, Chidrigafuchi Park and Shibuya Crossroads. Consider yourself a movie fan. Recreate the chase from The Fast and the Furious with the Dodge Charger, which is driven by Dominic Toretto. You can even repeat the famous stunt of this hero, putting the car on the rear wheels.